This is the cheapest 4G smartphone in the market. Welcome the Itel A60 4G device. Apart from 4G, what else does this device have? You're about to find out. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery, a 6.6 HD plus screen, 32 plus 2 gig RAM device. The 32 gig can also be expanded to 128 gigabytes. It's powered by an 8MP AI rear camera, and you also get the extras, the face unlock and the fingerprint sensor. So if you're an Itel user, I have more good news for you. Itel and Itel are in partnership as regards this device. So if you upgrade your SIM to 4G and you insert it into this device, you get 5 gigabytes free of charge. So to the elephant in the room, what is the price of this device? It is just 45,900 naira. Can you believe? Just 45,000. You get this 4G device. So what are you waiting for? Go and get your device right now.